All right, guys, Nissan Altima. This is what it sounds like before. 2.5 liter SR. It's really quiet, as you guys can see. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. All right, we'll let you guys hear it after we straight pipe. All right, guys, 2020 Nissan Altima, 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder. Got some custom work done to it, as you guys can see. Front lip, just nice car all the way around. He's getting it fixed up little by little. So it's got the converter there and a primary up at the manifold. Then what we did is a resonator delete. Then what we did, stock pipe, 2 1/4, and then 2-inch out the back. Then we added 2 1/4 back in, muffler delete there and there. That's how you do a muffler delete on these boys. And there's the blue flame tips there and there. We'll see if they're 4-inch tips. Let's see if there's a link in the description for you guys. We'll put one. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So come say hi sometime. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here's the 2 stock mufflers that were on it, guys. There and there. And there's the stock resonator that was on it. We cut off. And that's the mufflers, that's the tips. All right. That's what it looks like before. And it looks a lot better now. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. 2020 Nissan Altima SR. 2.5 liter, straight piped. There we go. Wow, so much better than before. Here's sound decibels. 106. Again. Go ahead and back it up. It's quite an idle too, which is good. It's not obnoxious, you know. Nissan Altima. Got a lot of custom accents on it. It's nice. That sounds good. I like it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Nissan Altima, 2.5 liter, fully straight piped. He's coming back next week for high flow cans. Enjoy, guys. Perfect.